came to Chile around 4 months ago, and it has become my country. But what we need in this country is solidarity. Venceremos! Venceremos! Hey! Give me the camera.
Camera's mine now.
Te quiero. Hello? What? There's been a military coup. We have to go.
Where are we gonna go?
I don't know. Just out.
You know where he is?
It's a place in the south, completely cut off from the outside world.
What's it called?
Colonio Dignidad.
It's a kind of cult run by a man called Paul Schäfer to set up a world according to his rules in the middle of nowhere.
What if I went there, joined up?
I wouldn't do that. You may never get back out.
Come in. Ours is a poor and humble life. Once you join us, you must remain.
Is that how you serve the Lord?
You must have a boyfriend, someone who loves you.
No.
I took you in like a daughter. Now you show your true face. You think you made a mistake, that you shouldn't have come here.